Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.8% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.8% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Crude oil futures edged lower after Russia announced some relaxations to its fuel export ban, but energy stocks mostly moved higher, with the sector topping the day's S&P sector standings by a comfortable margin. The Bank of England has concluded its tightening cycle and will likely keep the bank rate at 5.25% until at least July, a large poll of economists showed, although a significant minority said it would hike rates again this year. Crypto exchange Binance has reopened registrations and access to its products and services for its Belgian crypto users again. 3 months after the exchange was ordered by Belgium's finance regulator to cease cryptocurrency-related services.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US non-defense capital goods orders at 12:30 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0600 hours GMT. Finland's Consumer Confidence will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Coincident Index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Leading Economic Index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.